transactional, rules-based tasks, where structured data and clear, predefined rules and parameters are used. The solutions are easily and quickly designed, tested, and implemented. They are designed to require relatively low investment or expenditure. This demo shows how a process such as the creation of invoices is executed by an RPA tool. You will see how routine activities can be easily performed by the RPA tool based on predefined rules. The RPA tool used in this demo is Blue Prism. The key steps for the creation of invoices are as follows. In this process, the invoice request is received and opened, relevant data is entered into SAP, and the invoice document is created. At the beginning of the process, the software robot opens the correct environment in SAP and logs in. An invoice request is received by the software robot via email. The robot opens the email and the attached Excel template and scans this thoroughly. Different checks are performed by the robot to determine whether the data from the Excel template is of a certain quality. The software robot runs the transaction code for the creation of invoices in SAP. Subsequently, the invoice data from the Excel template is copied and pasted into the relevant fields in SAP. The robot recognizes if essential information is missing in the invoice request. If this is the case, the robot sends an email to the invoice requester with a request to adjust the specific invoice data. When all the data is entered in SAP, the robot creates the invoice by running the correct transactions. The invoice is then correctly saved for sending. At the end of the process, the robot sends an email to the requester with confirmation that the invoice has been created and moves the invoice request to the relevant subfolder in Outlook. Additionally, all the used applications are correctly closed. You just saw an example of how robotics can be deployed for a finance process. Next to the finance processes, there are many other opportunities for RPA that exist across other functions within the organization. Examples of these include customer care, business operations, IT, and HR. So, are you on the road to robotic automation? Success here isn't about if, but when. Now is the time to get started.